Colour is really necessary. I think it gives you character, it gives you joy. It's sort of therapy, I suppose. Painted furniture is not a new phenomenon. It's been around for ages and ages and ages. It was often done by amateurs or people who it wasn't their profession. It's available for everybody. That's what really inspires me, and that's what I think I can help you with. In this course, there are so many different things, from the really basic techniques of smooth finishes and some textured ones, as well as the more complex things like decoupage and malachite. Texture gives depth. That's quite wild. Look at that. Early morning at Sunbury Antiques Fair, and it's very cold. That's all I can say. 40 quid for the four. Yeah. Got myself a bargain. Upcycling, of course, is something which is not only great for the planet, it's also great for you, and it makes you feel so good. I'm going to show you how to source furniture, combine colour, and make something that you're really proud of. I like this. I'm having great fun. This is my favourite thing to do. It will unleash your creativity and you will be able to express yourself. Even if you don't think that you're creative, get a brush in your hand and you will be creative. You will find all sorts of things you can do. Learn to fill your home with colour and character with me, Annie Sloan.